What if Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds? Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly Earth stops spinning. Not forever, just 5 seconds. That might sound harmless, but in reality, those 5 seconds would unleash planet-wide chaos. Cities destroyed, oceans flooding continents, and billions of people in danger. Let's break down what would actually happen. Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. You don't feel it because everything around you is moving at the same speed. Cars, buildings, oceans, the air, everything is rotating together. But if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, everything not anchored to bedrock would keep moving at 1,000 miles per hour. The moment Earth stopped, people, cars, trains, airplanes, and even buildings would be thrown eastward at incredible speeds. Imagine driving down the highway. Suddenly the ground stops, but your car keeps moving at the speed of a jet plane. Most structures would collapse instantly. Entire cities would become fields of debris. Oceans and rivers. Right now, water is partially held in place by Earth's rotation. If rotation suddenly stopped, oceans would surge toward poles and coastlines. Massive mega tsunamis hundreds of feet high could sweep across continents. Coastal cities like New York, Tokyo, and Sydney would be devastated within minutes. But here's the most terrifying part. The atmosphere would keep moving too. That means winds of over 1,000 miles per hour. For comparison, the strongest hurricanes reach about 180 miles per hour. This would be 5 times stronger. Buildings would be ripped apart, forests flattened, dust and debris thrown across the planet. Earth isn't perfectly round. Because of its rotation, it bulges slightly at the equator. If Earth stopped spinning, that bulge would begin to collapse. Over time, oceans would shift toward the poles. Entire regions of the planet become completely flooded or dried out. You'd also weigh slightly more. Right now, the spin of Earth creates a tiny outward force. Without that spin, gravity would pull you just a little harder. Not enough to crush you, but enough to make movement feel slightly heavier. Remember, Earth only stopped for 5 seconds. When it suddenly starts spinning again, everything would jerk back into motion. More earthquakes, more megastorms, more destruction. Those 5 seconds could trigger decades of global disasters. It's crazy to think about. But the reason life exists on Earth is because of a delicate balance of motion, gravity, and atmosphere. If that balance changes even slightly, the results can be catastrophic. So the next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, remember, you're standing on a planet spinning 1,000 miles per hour through space.